guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in our tiny balcony. Just checking the weather outside the balcony. Anyway, I just came from drop the kids in school. You know the wind is hot. It's like you are inside the oven that there is fire on top and down. You see, I'm checking the I miss going to walk beside the beach and Lake Park. This is the road going to straight to Lake Park, but I wasn't able to go walking anymore because of the hot temperature. Very hot the weather this time. I won't be able. How many months? Since April until now, May, June, July. 3 months already. I won't be able to go exercise walking because of the hot temperature. That's why I gain weight again. I wasn't able to go exercise. Anyway guys, today is Monday. First day of office in school. Some of school, international school, they don't have school yet. Maybe by in August or September. But the Philippine school, some other school, they already have school like may Alaga. We start school first week of July. Anyway guys, happy Monday and enjoy your day. Have a nice day everyone and see you next time. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.